Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rated Unboxing, and today we have this K3 Pro drone, and as you can see the MRP mentioned is 4999, and this comes with this E99 dual batteries. As you can see, it's mentioned over here, and it has some quick specs like cool LED, large capacity, dual cameras, gesture, photo and video, 4K HD camera. So this drone comes in three color variants, the black, gray and orange. So currently I have the white variant, so let's quickly unbox this and see what's inside. So on opening the box you get to see a black colored case. The quality of the case is really good. On opening the case you get to see a user manual, some extra propellers, screwdriver and a USB charging cable. You also get an extra battery which is of 1800 milliampere, and also you get the remote control, and finally you get to see the drone itself. And as I said before, I have the white variant. Now coming to the remote control, it has these various buttons over here. Here is the power button in the middle, and at the top you get these antennas. At the top there are buttons as well, and at the bottom part you get the place to attach your mobile phone over here. And now coming to the back side of this remote control, you have to insert three AA batteries, which you'll have to buy separately because these are not included. Yeah, this is the drone itself. At the front it has this camera over here, and here you get two LEDs. At the top there is a LED as well, and the power button, and there are four propellers at the four ends. And at the bottom you get to see a camera over here, and over here you have to insert the 1800 milliampere battery, which is again pre-installed with this drone, as you can see. So let me just pull it inside. So yeah, so this is the physical overview of the drone. So guys, in order to operate the camera of the drone, you have to install this app known as RCFPV on your mobile phone, and then click on open. And then what you'll have to do is power on the drone by pressing the power button like this, and then you have to search for the Wi-Fi of the drone, which is Wi-Fi 8K. As you can see, we are connected to this Wi-Fi 8K, and now when we click on start you get to see what the drone sees. Just a moment. As you can see over here, this is me recording. As you can see, yeah, now the camera is working. As you can see, it's showing direct on my mobile phone. Here's a clip of a video which I shot using this drone. As you can see, the quality is not at all good. At the time I was recording this video, it started to rain, so I couldn't fly the drone outside. So here's me trying to fly the drone indoors. Yeah, I know that some of you might say that a drone is meant to be operated outdoors and not indoors, but yeah, due to some issues I wasn't able to operate it outdoors, so I couldn't show you any clip of this drone flying, so I'm really sorry about that. And if you want my conclusion about this drone, the build quality of the drone is really good because it fell many times, but there wasn't even a single scratch on this drone. And coming to the battery backup, it's great. Each battery gives about 15 minutes of flying time, but the camera is not good. So if you want a just basic drone for your kids to play with, then this might be your choice. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more such videos.